Hello there. So you want to know how you can go ahead and enable 2FA on Twitch. This is the only video you'll ever need to watch. So let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open any browser that you are comfortable with and simply go ahead and search for Twitch TV and click on the first link that pops up. On the top right hand, make sure that you are logged in into the account that you want to go ahead and enable your 2FA with, and all you need to do is click on settings. Once you've clicked on settings, there are going to be a lot of tabs right over here. You want to go ahead and click on the fourth one, which is going to be security and privacy. Once you've done that, make sure that you have verified your email. That is exactly when you can go ahead and set up two-factor authentication down here. All you need to do is click on two-factor authentication, click on enable, go ahead and click on apply, and then go ahead and enter your number. Once you've done that, it's going to go ahead and give a code to that number. So let me just wait for that. There you go, I've received it. So simply go ahead and enter the number that you received through it. There you go, and just click on continue, and it's going to go ahead and send another 6-digit code that you can go ahead and do it through Authenticator, or you could just click on skip and use SMS and click on done, and that is it. I've enabled my two-factor authentication, and that is how you can do it too. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.